Hi everyone, I'm back after a long time. Well, the reason for that is lately I've been feeling very low, very pessimistic and depressed, and the one thought that is really bothering me for the last few days is that somehow I'm feeling that our life, my life in particular, and our life as a human, it's not in our control. It's like we're pawns in the hands of the supreme being, God Almighty, nature, whatever you call it. I'm feeling that our life is a pawn. Our endeavors, what we strive for, how hard we work, it doesn't matter. It at all doesn't matter. If something is written in your fate, it will happen, and if something is not written in your fate, it won't. I mean, if it is that, then trying for anything seems so meaningless. I know these are very pessimistic thoughts, but it is bothering me. And of course, I have faced such situations in my life where I have tried everything, given my everything, and then suddenly something bad happens, and bam, everything just gets washed away, and your whole life changes. And then you have to again cope with it. I mean, you can deal with it once, but if it becomes the theme of your life, then you don't even feel like trying again and again. All you feel is like, what's the purpose of trying if everything is gonna get destroyed? Sometimes the good also happens, that you try for many days, it doesn't happen, and then one day suddenly everything's just falls into place. And it's good for those people that is the case. It's good, but they feel that it is the result of their hard work, but which can be true to some extent. But then it's not that at that point of time they were trying a little more hard. Nothing, they were just trying, and then one day it happened. And for some people it's just the opposite. Everything gets destroyed, and it seems that I have no control over my life. Some other energy is controlling everything. I'm just there like a pawn. It's like chess pawns, how we play them. I'm feeling kind of that. So I'm trying to study, I'm trying to concentrate, make something of my life, but it all gets so difficult. I can't concentrate on my studies because this fear, it engulfs me. That I'm trying to do something, I'm trying to make something of my life, trying to be independent financially, but then this fear is it's bad. It's really bad, and it's bothering me. I just don't know how to overcome it. I haven't shared everything with my family members, because it's not that I don't have family members. I have them. I have a family, but you don't always like to bother your near and dear ones with your irrational fears. They get bothered, and if they get bothered, that again bothers me. So I kind of admit these are irrational fears, but it is what it is. I just don't know how to cope with it. So if anybody of you are facing the same thing, please share it. And if you have something better to say or something related to it to say, please share it in the comment section. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.